Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving out of Kingston, the city of Kingston, and we are at the intersection of Washington Boulevard and Dunrobin Avenue. If we turn left at this intersection, we'd go on to Dunrobin Avenue, but we're turning right and going on to Washington Boulevard. Now this is one of the main routes that you would take to drive out of Kingston. As you can see, it's a 6-lane road, and Washington Boulevard leads into Mandela Highway, and then from Mandela Highway you can get on both highways, North-South Highway, East-West leg of Highway 2000, or the PJ Patterson Highway or the Edward Seaga Highway, and those highways take you to the North Coast and the South Coast. Also, if you're going to Portmore or Spanish Town, this is the route you would take. Go on to Mandela and then exit in Portmore or Spanish Town. So this is the most popular route when you're coming from the St. Andrew area. If you're coming from downtown Kingston, then you would go on Spanish Town Road. So we're coming up on the right now is Church, Boulevard Baptist Church, and then beside it on the right you have Sovereign Center, and that's where you have a Super Shoppers Fair supermarket. At this intersection, this is Savannah Avenue, and Savannah Avenue takes you back to Red Hills Road. On the left is Rubis. For those of you who haven't been in Jamaica, haven't visited Jamaica in a while, Rubis used to be Shell. The Shell gas stations, they were bought out and they renamed them Rubis. Okay, on the left is Mulline's Gardens. Now, as you can see, the government recently upgraded this road to a 6-lane road because that's because of the amount of traffic that goes in and out of the city. And also off Washington Boulevard you have a lot of residential communities. Zadie Gardens, State Gardens, Mulline's Gardens, Marvally, Pembroke Hall. A lot of communities. So this is a very busy road even for persons just staying within the city. At this intersection is Mulline's Road on the left. If you take the left at this intersection, you take Mulline's Road to Halfway Tree. If you take the right, you take Mulline's Road down to Red Hills. On the left is the Total gas station, and on the right is the Texaco. And Total used to be Esso. The Esso gas stations, Total bought them out. And the gas station on the left, the Total, at the intersection of Washington Boulevard and Mulline's Road, it used to be the busiest gas station in Kingston. That was before other gas stations were built. Back in the day, that used to be the busiest gas station. It sold more gas than any other gas station in Kingston. But that's not the case anymore because you have other gas stations built now. The reason why that one did so well is because that was the last gas station, or that's the gas station you would go to when you're driving out to the city. So if you go into the country, that's where you'd go and fill up. But there is a Fesco gas station on Mandela now that is extremely busy, and other gas stations were built and that one isn't as busy as it used to. Okay, on the left is the Jerusalem area, on the right is the Marvally area. Now straight ahead is a pedestrian bridge. That's what you're supposed to use to cross the road. But unfortunately, so many times persons cross the road without using the bridge. And sometimes you can't really blame the people because you want to go to Boulevard Supercenter and you are on the left. You must walk all the way up there and then go across. But there are a lot of accidents on the road where pedestrians get hit by cars. And this month is Road Safety Month. Okay, on the right is Boulevard Supercenter, And also, if you turn right, that's the entrance to the Pembroke Hall area. So June is Road Safety Month, so they are highlighting safety ways to use the road safely, or they're talking about what are the major problems with causing accidents on the road. One is speeding. Another thing is persons crossing the road, just stepping out in the road and crossing at spots they're not supposed to cross. Now this is a 6-lane road, and for somebody, and at this intersection it's actually 7 because of the turning lanes. To cross this road, which is a very busy road, is very dangerous. So that's what I mean when they say persons crossing at the wrong spots. Some people just step out in the road. This road, 6 lanes, step out and just cross, and it causes problems. So that's one of the concerns or problems with the persons using the road. Alright, at this intersection now, on the right is Patrick Gardens, and there's also a tasty location on the right. Now Tasty is a patty company, and very, very successful and popular in Jamaica. At one time they sold more patties than any other company. Okay, at this intersection, if you turn left, you go into Washington Gardens, and Washington Gardens will take you back to Spanish Town Road. If you turn left here, you go onto Weymouth Drive, and that takes you through Washington Gardens and back to Spanish Town Road. So a lot of persons use this route through Washington Gardens as a shortcut, because if you stay on Washington Boulevard, you have to go all the way down to Spanish Town Road and then head left on Spanish Town Road. While if you turn here at Washington Gardens, you cut out. It saves a lot of time. It's like a shortcut. Okay, at this intersection, if you turn right, you go into Doheny Park, the community, and on the right, that's the new Doheny Park Plaza. It was recently renovated. If we turn left at the light, we go into the Corville Gardens area. And we have a lot of videos up of these communities, all the communities of Washington Boulevard, so you can search the site and see the videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.